So the first one we're going to do is 7 times 9 to the x equals 18.7. The first thing you're going to do is divide by 7. So we have 9 to the x equals 18.7 over 7. Now, because the exponent is, the variable is the exponent, we need to put it in logarithmic form. And remember that this lesson is called Exponential Equations Requiring Logs. So we'll have log base 9 of that fraction equals the exponent, so equals x. And we just put that in our calculator and round to 4 places. And we get that x equals 0.4472. Now we go to the next one, is 8 to the p minus 2 equals 43. The first thing you're going to do is add 2 to both sides, so you get 8 to the p equals 45. Now, because the variable is in the exponent, you put log base 8 of 45 equals p, and when you put that in the calculator, you get 1.8306. The next one is 14 to the negative 7x plus 7 equals 47.2. We're going to subtract 7 from both sides to get that 7 away. And we have 14 to the negative 7x equals 40.2. So now you're going to do log base 14 of 40.2 equals negative 7x. And when you turn that into a decimal, you have, the x is still not alone, so you have to divide that by negative 7. So in order to leave the x alone, you would divide that answer by negative 7, and your x would equal negative 0.2 when you round it, 2,000. Okay? The next one is 17 to the x plus 2 minus 10 equals 89.7. So we have 17 to the x plus 2 equals 99.7. And we have to convert that to log base 17 of 99.7 equals x plus 2. Well, in order to leave the x alone, you have to subtract 2 from this mess. So when you turn that into a decimal and subtract 2 from it, you should get negative 0.3756. Would be equal to x. And the last one is 9 times 4 m minus 6 equals 67. Divide both sides by 9, and we get 4 to the m minus 6 equals 67 ninths. Change that to log base 4 of 67 ninths equals m minus 6. Turn that into a decimal, log base 4 of 67 over 9, and add 6 to it to get m, and m is going to be equal to 7.44181.